Hello learners, welcome to Smartclass. I hope you are all well. Today's class is very important for class 10th students as we are going to discuss Dust of Snow. And this poem is written by none other than Robert Frost, who is an American poet. Now, this is a very short poem as you can find. And in this short poem, Robert Frost tells a very important message. So Robert Frost gives a very important message. Now, what is the important message that he gives? So we will see that in today's class. Okay. Now, these are the first four lines. The way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part that I had of a day I had read. So let us first understand the rhyme scheme of the poem. What is the rhyme scheme? The way a crow. So crow को हम मान के चलेंगे A. Then swoop down on me. तो me crow के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा है. So that means ये B हो जाएगा. Then the dust of snow. So snow and crow match कर रहा है. So this will be again A. So A B A. Then again tree me के साथ match कर रहा है. तो A B. Then has given my heart. तो heart हो जाएगा C. Mood match नहीं कर रहा है. तो C D. Then and saved some part. तो again C of a day I had ruled. तो root and mood match कर रहा है. So C D. So this is the rhyme scheme A B C D, right? Now dust of snow. What does this mean? Dust of snow तो flakes of snow. तो बर्फ का जो टुकड़ा है. So actually क्या होता है poem में? Now the speaker is walking through a desolate area जहाँ पर सिर्फ बर्फ ही बर्फ है. And that means we understand the first point here that this is which season? So the speaker here talks about winter season. Okay, so here he talks about winter season. Now the next thing is that when the speaker is walking, then his mood is depressed. So here I write here that negative. So his mind is full of negative thoughts, right? His mind is full of negative thoughts, and then he's walking. That means he is a very depressive mood. Now what happens when he is walking? The way a crow swooped down on me. So here we come to the significance of crow. तो अब क्या होता है ना, एक crow कहाँ बैठा है? On a hemlock tree. So here I write crow and then hemlock tree. तो ये दोनों जो symbol है, because these are two symbols, so crow suggest करता है negativity को. Crow suggests something that is negative, and hemlock tree also suggests. Hemlock tree actually poisonous होता है. So hemlock tree here also suggests something that is related to death. So ये जो दो idea है, both the ideas crow and hemlock tree, so these are giving negative connotation, right? Now what happens? So this is the first stanza of the poem. So here we find that when the poet is walking, then the dust of snow fell upon him, and how? It was because of the action of the crow, right? Some of the important points we'll note down here. The first point is the visual beauty. So what is visual beauty that you find here? So one thing is very important, that crow is black. So crow signify करता है something that is black, and on the opposite snow क्या signify करता है? The snow suggests something that is white. तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट जो है वो दोनों कंट्रास्टिंग इमेजेस है. ओके, तो द ऑपोजिट आइडियाज आर गिवन हियर इन द वेरी पोएम. देन द सेकंड पॉइंट, द पोएट इज वॉकिंग एंड ही इज अलोन एंड ही इज अ वेरी डिप्रेसिव मूड. तो अब क्या होता है ना, व्हेन द क्रो shakes some dust of snow on him, so that means there is a communication. तो क्रो क्या करता है ना, जो डस्ट ऑफ स्नो है वो हेमलॉक ट्री के ऊपर बैठे हैं और ऊपर से बर्फ का टुकड़ा गिरा देता है स्पीकर के ऊपर. तो एक कम्युनिकेशन हो गया बिटवीन द क्रो एंड द स्पीकर एज वेल, राइट? नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट बोथ द क्रो एंड द हेमलॉक ट्री दे सजेस्ट समथिंग दैट इज नेगेटिव. सो हियर आई राइट क्रो एंड देन द हेमलॉक ट्री, सो दे सजेस्ट समथिंग दैट इज नेगेटिव. अब इसके बाद क्या होता है? Then has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So poet को अब क्या हो जाता है ना, change of mood. poet के अंदर एक realization होने लगता है कि I was ruining my day. So यहाँ पर rued का meaning क्या हो जाएगा ना, एक regret. Or we can also write here that this was regret, or you can also write here ruined. So here I write ruined. So the poet now realizes that he was ruining his day. और ये कैसे होता है? Because of the agent of black crow and hemlock tree that is poisonous. तो पूरा का पूरा जो पोएम है इसमें हमें ये दिखाया गया कि जो नेगेटिव आइडियाज है सोसाइटी में, जिसको नेगेटिव माना जाता है, जैसे क्रो, हेमलॉक ट्री, ये पोएट के लिए पॉजिटिव वाइब्स, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लाया. अब पोएट ये कहना चाहता है, स्पीकर ये कहना चाहता है कि we should always be open to ideas, we should always be open minded because nature is a source of happiness. तो ये एक नेचर पोएम भी है. So we find here that nature is a source of joy and happiness, right? Joy and happiness. तो ये पोएट को रियलाइजेशन होता है when he walks through the nature and then a positive vibe or a positive attitude comes in him. और ये कैसे होता है? Because of the two agents of nature, the one is crow that is black, जो कि सोसाइटी में माना जाता है कि bad something that is ominous. ominous का मीनिंग हो जाता है जो अशुभ होता है, इसको शुभ माना नहीं जाता है. Okay, so this is the whole idea of the poem. So let us again recapitulate the ideas. The first is that nature is a source of positive vibes. तो यहाँ पर एक चीज हमें देखने के लिए मिला कि द नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, एक नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव जो शिफ्ट हो रहा है वो हो रहा है किसके लिए? बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रो एंड द हेमलॉक ट्री, जो कि सोसाइटी में माना जाता है कि ये दोनों जो आइडियाज है जो नेगेटिव आइडियाज है. ओके, एंड द मॉरल एंड द मैसेज ऑफ द पोएम इज दैट वी मस्ट बी ऑलवेज ओपन माइंडेड. We must be always open-minded. So that one also we understand, right? So open mind. We should always keep an open mind. So this is the idea that Robert Frost gives in a very short poem. Understand? Now here also in the similar way you can find some questions. These are the questions. Now in the description box you will find the link from where you can download the answers of these questions. Now for any doubt you can write in the comment section, and if you like the video you must share with others, and do not forget to subscribe Smart Class. Thank you.